guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be showing you this fruit here that I'm about to eat, and it is called Rambutan. I don't know if I pronounced that right, but my daughter, I think I've seen this before, but my daughter brought it over and she really likes this, so I wanted to give it a try because I think I've ate these before, but just not in this form. Like, it was already peeled and everything. So we are going to try this today and see how we like it. Well, I'm gonna try today and I'll tell you how I like it. So all right, you guys, so here we go. Let's try this and see how to open this. It's, if you can see, it's pretty spiky. Look at the texture of this fruit. I'm gonna open it up. Look at this. Yeah, like I said, I've eaten one of these before. I've ate one of these before. I just never really opened it from this form. All right, so this is what it looks like. Let's give it a bite and see. Really good. It's sweet, like, when there's a seed in the middle. So let's open one more. Let's open a soft one because they're pretty hard. So okay, we'll just open this one. Oh. Look at how cool that looks. It looks crazy, huh? It's like, oh, it guys, it squirted. Okay, so let's open this. Ta-da! This one's juicy. All right, you guys, so that is all I have for you today. I just wanted to show you my fruits and show you what they look like because I thought it was interesting and I wanted to share. All right, that is all. Thanks for watching and I hope you like and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.